On a cold winter night in the year it began, a young woman named Sarah decided to rent a secluded house to get away from the hustle and bustle of city life and spend a peaceful weekend. The pictures of the house showed this tranquil place located on the edge of a desolate forest by a quiet river, which had captivated her when she arrived at the house. The surroundings were covered in snow, and silence prevailed initially. She found this silence comforting, but strange things started happening on the first night. As she lay in the bedroom, she began to hear a strange and mournful melody. She rushed to the window, but saw no one outside. Only snow and trees were in sight. For several nights these strange sounds continued, and Sarah became increasingly disturbed. She could no longer sleep at night, and this eerie melody frightened her. One morning, when she heard a scream emanating from the depths of the forest, she couldn't resist going outside to investigate. As she walked through the forest, she began to find tracks in the snow. Following the tracks, she reached the river bank. The surface of the river was frozen, but she noticed something underneath. After some effort, she managed to break through the frozen river's surface, and when she peered beneath the water, a hand reached out and tried to grab her desperately. Sarah tried to resurface, but the hand started pulling her deeper. For a brief moment, she saw a face under the water. It had an expression similar to the strange melody she had heard in the house, and it was another woman looking at her. In an instant, Sarah managed to break free and gasp for air as she resurfaced, panic-stricken. She rushed back to the house. She never stayed in that house again, leaving the enigmatic and chilling secrets of that silent forest behind. Since that day, Sarah never spoke about her experience to anyone. However, she still pondered the mysterious and eerie secrets of the desolate forest. Who knows? Perhaps the mysterious woman with the strange melody from the depths of the forest was still wandering there. Silent forest behind. Since that day, Sarah never spoke about her experience to anyone. However, she still pondered the mysterious and eerie secrets of the desolate forest. Who knows? Perhaps the mysterious woman with the strange melody from the depths of the forest was still